Hello, darlings, and welcome to Myra Beauty. Today we're doing DIY whipped soaps winter edition, sort of. But anyway, we're going to start off with our cast iron soap mixture. So we're going to put 5 ounces of grated cast iron soap bar in a double boiler, along with 1.5 cups of water. And you're going to melt that down till it's completely melted. And in another bowl, we are going to take about 3/4 a cup of shea butter or cocoa butter, depending on how soft. Shea butter will be softer, but anyway. And we got 2/3 a cup of coconut oil, and we're gonna melt that down together. Okay, here's our melted cast iron soap mixture, and we got our cocoa butter or shea butter mixture, and we're going to put that in the refrigerator to cool a bit. Once that's cooled, you're going to take about 1.5 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin, and you're going to mix that up until it's creamy. Then we're going to add the cast iron soap mixture to our shea butter mixture, and we're going to whip that up until it's nice and fluffy. And yeah, I had to switch bowls because it became way too much, but yeah. And so our first scent we're going to start off with is a peppermint cafe mocha scent. So I got 3 different bowls. The first bowl is the cafe mocha scent that I have there. And I got some brown food coloring to make it brown like coffee. And the next one is supposed to be like the whipped cream, but I didn't have a whipped cream scent. So we're going to use candy cane scent. But the white is supposed to resemble whipped cream. Anyway, and then the third one is supposed to be the actual candy cane. So we're going to use the candy cane scent in that one as well, and just going to put red food coloring in it. So we're going to whip all 3 of those up together. And in a bag, I got a decorating bag with a star tip. We're just going to swirl together the cafe mocha, the whipped cream, and the peppermint. So if you got whipped cream scent, use that. I didn't, so I used peppermint for both. But anyway, we're going to swirl that around in a jar so the colors will blend together. I was going to layer it like brown, like the cafe mocha, and then the whipped cream, but I didn't have time for all of it. But anyway, yeah, it looked kind of crappy. I'm not very good at swirling it. I promise if you buy one from me and I sell it to you, it's going to look better than that. Anyway, the next one we're doing is a sugar cookie one. So I got my sugar cookie scent, and I'm putting how much in here, I do not know. Yep, just drop all that in there. So next I'm adding in some green sprinkles, and I also have some red sprinkles. Yum, 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 yum. And we're gonna whip that all up together. And since the green ones are a little finer, they kind of made it green a little bit, so they kind of melted. But anyway, it's fine. So put that in a decorating bag also with your star tip and swirl that around in the jar. Yeah, again, it looks crappy. I know, shut up. I do not care right now. Anyway. And that's your sugar cookie one. Next, we're doing a vanilla bean one. I got my vanilla bean scent, and I'm just going to add, however much, whatever. Yep, that much. And next, I have the innards of a vanilla bean. I cut it open and scraped it like the vanilla beans, whatever you call that. Anyway, I'm throwing that all in there. And yes, vanilla beans are expensive, so you can't skip this step. You don't have to do it. But I just thought it'd be fun since I had some on hand. And we're going to whip that all up together. And y'all know the drill. Put it in a bag with the star tip, swirl it around, and it's not going to look crappy like mine. But I don't know. I was rushing you guys. Anyway, that's so much. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Mwah.